I really did not enjoy my dental education too much. So back during the 70s, it was a much more harsh educational environment. Faculty members were not afraid to tell you that your work was terrible and you're in the wrong profession. My goal was, when I did teach, that as much as I could be, I wanted to be a good role model, a good mentor to help students feel comfortable.
So she was really, from the beginning, somebody that kind of molded my inner voice when working on patients, just to not accept mediocrity, to always try to do perfect work, get that perfect outline for your filling or for your crown prep. And she was just a great mentor from the beginning.
And I think that's what makes her unique in a way, because she's not just a professor who has A, B, C, D for you to do. She treats you as a human being and kind of learns who you are and makes things fun.
So my roommate and I are actually kind of obsessed with Dr. Mash because she just is this awesome person, and she wrote this memoir about her time in dental school and how she was one of the few female students in her class. And so we both read the memoir, and it was just so interesting to see how different things were back then.
Probably when I first started, I'm thinking of about 2% of the dentists were women in the U.S. We literally encountered faculty members that said, "You've taken the place of a male," for being there. So it wasn't the most welcoming environment at times. Now things have really changed and for the better. I've always loved art, and I've illustrated my own lab manual, but I've pretty much over the years specialized in drawing teeth. Right after the Iron Curtain came down, I visited Russia, and there I met a female dentist. Something she taught me it really changed my life. And she said in the Soviet Union, they had a time where there was virtually no paper. They had very little in the way of textbooks. She said, but what we lacked in those material goods, she said, we made up for with great teachers. And I thought, that's really phenomenal, because I've always thought it's about having a good teacher. And I thought, that's something I could do at an elementary school level, introduce them to art. It's been a real blessing for me.
I think that every dental student should be fortunate to have a Dr. Mash in their life. I personally didn't have Dr. Mash in dental school, but I wish I had.
I love to teach. It was just what I was meant to do. A lot of students can tell I enjoy being with them a great deal. They've really brought me so much more joy than I could ever give them. I mean, they just have really made my career worthwhile.
She has proven to be a phenomenal mentor to me personally, professionally, clinically, but more importantly, she's become a very, very dear friend.
4,100 clinicians have been taught operative dentistry by this incredible teacher. Roughly 36% of all Texas-educated dentists developed their hand skills under her direction. Thank you. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you for all your encouragement. Thank you for your friendship, but most importantly, thank you for dedicating your life to bettering all of us so that we may live out our dreams.